Hi everyone, Cliff Baldridge here, and this is the Glydr. It's a foot controller, and you put your feet on this, you put it on the floor, you put your feet on this while you're sitting, and you can play games. It's a foot controller. It's like using a mouse, but it's a foot controller, and you can do gaming, like you can do Call of Duty, you can do all sorts of games, and you can do robotics, you can do AR, VR games, you can do robotics, you can fly drones, and you can do all sorts of robotics. Okay, we just calibrated and we have a mouse moving. It's really magical to get a mouse moving by itself, just by moving your feet left and right. We can make a mouse move by itself, and we can get text to move on the screen. It's just amazing. Here, I'll show you. So watch this. I'm moving the mouse with my feet here. I can move the mouse with my feet. I can control with my hands, and then I can control with my feet. So I can control with my hands, and then I can control with my feet. I can take control of the mouse with my hands, and then I can control the mouse with my feet as well. With my hands on the mouse and then my feet. So it's just amazing. You got to get the Glydr foot controller. It's just amazing. It's the best. Get this Glydr foot controller, and then you would win all the games, or you can use this for AI and robotics. I met him at the Avatar XPRIZE Robotics convention, and I just calibrated it and set it up. And then you'll win all the Call of Duty games. And then you can use the mouse, and you can use the foot controller. And they're using it for robotics, for drones. It's incredible.